Chole Bhature. Yeah, she's good for kiss. Celebrity crush. Love नहीं मिलता है, lust तो सबको मिल जाती है थोड़ी बहुत. ऐसे तो there are so many girls. All are crush.
Hello and welcome to the show. We have a special guest today on our show. Well, he is the supermodel of India and an actor too. Lots of achievements, lots of rewards, lots of accomplishments, and a huge female fan following he has. So let's welcome with us here Karan Oberoi. Hi.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Thank you for calling to your show.
We are very happy that you have come on our show here today, sir. You have a lot of female fan following. How do you deal with it?
Yeah, I keep getting DMs on Instagram.
Yeah.
And can you meet me and all that? But I think they are kind that they're messaging me. There are other good-looking guys. It's indeed a pleasure.
Was there any such specific incident with you when a female approached you? यार मुझे शादी कर लो, ऐसे कभी कुछ हुआ है?
ये हुआ तो बहुत बार है.
अच्छा, हुआ बहुत बार है.
और हो सकता है मैं कर भी लूँ आने वाले टाइम में, पर लड़की पहले चाहिए. Yeah.
So we are looking forward soon when Karan sir gives us this news. Well, the female fan followers, please watch out for this. Well, how did you start into modeling? क्या आपने सोचा कि मैं modeling में जाना चाहता हूँ?
It all started few years back when I was working for an ad firm as a designer. And it was nothing on cards. I'm an MBA, I'm a postgraduate in mass media, and I was working for an ad firm. And suddenly an opportunity popped out. And they wanted me to be a model for their brand. And things changed. Rest is history. And here I am.
Well, fitness modeling, you are known for to be a fitness model. So is fitness modeling different from the models which we have? How do you describe it?
See, fitness modeling and fashion modeling, being a fitness and fashion model, because I started my career as a fashion model.
Okay.
Gradually, because people were so fond of my physique, and every time I used to go, Karan Oberoi, body and all that. Yeah. So I got featured on Men's Health cover. I shot for a few fitness brands also. So this is how, and like Reebok and all that stuff. So I got into that too. So what I mean to say is that when you talk about fitness models are not different than any other models. First of all, we need to understand the misconception that people have.
Okay.
That it's not synonym to bodybuilding. Fitness models are good looking guys. Might be they aren't that tall as fashion models, but they have a photogenic face, they have good body, and they can featured on ads like Reebok the way I was.
Yeah. So the terms are different. The two terms are different, you mean to say?
Yeah, fitness modeling is nowhere close to bodybuilding, which a lot of youngsters have misunderstanding.
Okay.
They think only picking up weights or being in the gym is fitness modeling. No, it isn't.
You have worked with different brands like Reebok. So how was the difference, in working with them and different fashion designers?
It's totally different. See, I'm known to be a fitness and fashion model. So I have worked for fashion labels. I've shot for fashion editorials. Majorly, I did a lot of fashion editorials for Hindustan Times. So that was really great for my work profile. And see, and being a fitness model, you can shoot for commercial brands like Reebok, yeah, as I did for maybe being a Royal Enfield poster boy, or being in a Isuzu TV commercial. I learned so many things working with different designers like Rohit Bahal, Rajesh Pratap Singh. They all have a different way of working, and it was every day it was a good learning for me.
कोई ऐसा वाक़या हुआ था आपके साथ किस्सा?
Modeling के career में actually a lot of people don't know, but my first fashion walk, I was supposed to start my walk walking behind. Can you imagine?
Actually, walking behind. So
I was supposed to open the show, and I was walking behind. This is my first walk, just imagine. So this is something I really remember.
Okay.
It was astonishing. It was really petrifying when I started, but while I was doing that, but it all went good, and yeah.
Okay. You have been always compared to John Abraham. Can you tell us about it?
See, I don't know how did this come, but yeah, a lot of people, they used to tell me that, your body and your looks are a little similar to him. Mm-hmm. And I think, see, John Abraham is an icon. He is someone who made his mark in Bollywood majorly because of his looks and his body. Yep. And it's indeed an honor when someone tells you that you look similar to John. Like, I think it's an honor. He has done really well. He still does well, and but he majorly came into limelight. The girls got mad majorly because of his personality and his looks, and it's an honor.
So what's your regime? Like, आप दिन की शुरुआत कैसे करते हो?
I get up like 5 o'clock in the morning. I pray. I go for a run. I keep myself motivated. I go to gym. So I try to do this early morning because, you know, you need that sort of that thing going in your blood to keep it happening, and you need motivation every day to keep your life rocking.
One message which you would like to give to all the youngsters who are looking, to enter the modeling industry, or maybe who want to become a fitness enthusiasts.
See, it's a tough game, guys. Let me tell you, despite of having a very easy break as a model, it was really daunting when I started my career, and it was always pressure on me that like how to sustain. Every day young guys are coming and they are giving you competition.
Yes.
Thousands of people are coming to become a model, and to sustain in this cutthroat competition, you have to be extremely fit. You have to be extremely updated with fashion trends going on. So what I want to say is that the guys who are looking forward to get into this industry, they need to first of all be patient. Have patience, because the young generation, they don't have patience.
Yes,
they give 6 months, 1 year. No, it's not working. Let me change the line. I want to be an actor. I want to be a model. I want to be a photographer. I've seen the guys who started with me 10 years back. They all left modeling. Except 2-3 guys. Majority of left within 2 years. Some of them went to America to learn acting. Some of them joined some other business. So what I mean to say is, have patience, be hardworking, believe in yourself, and this will take you very far.
A beautiful message which he conveyed, right? You need a lot of patience.
Because why I said believe in yourself, because there are, like, even when I started, a lot of said, "Tu model banega." So keep believing in yourself and keep working hard. Play wise. Now, for example, you're not looking great, and someone tells you, your best friend, that you are looking good, man, you can be a model. Just be wise to yourself when you see yourself in the mirror. See, are you making it happen? Don't do it for other people. Do it for yourself. And how does that come? By believing in yourself, and most important, tenacity to keep moving forward despite of having so many difficulties your way, right?
Well, you have been from walking various brands to, you have been appointed as the World Peace Messenger 2018. So what was that all about? So
like, I won this Youth Icon Model of the Year just 6 months, I think some months before. And I was approached for this. It was an honor. Well, like, something that is associated with United Nations and appointing me as World Peace Messenger. So why they wanted to appoint me, I asked them, because they said that you, a young generation, take you as a role model. We want somebody to be a messenger and who is an kind of icon, and it was an honor when they said that. And more than that, I think that I'm a model. I don't drink alcohol, I don't smoke, I'm not into drugs at all, and it's not that I'm saying on screen. I don't do that. So my message to youth is that keep bigger goals, achieve them, enjoy them even more than that. But getting into drugs is not enjoyment. Stay away from that. Keep yourself calm, achieve bigger goals.
Yes.
And I think it's all clear, right?
Beautiful again. With the kind of situation currently which is going on,
yes,
I think you actually are the World Peace Messenger for us. Well, who is your favorite fashion designer? बहुत सारों के साथ अपने काम किया है, लेकिन एक नाम वो आपको बताना है जिसके साथ आपको बहुत मजा आता है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल बताऊंगा मैं. रोहित बाल.
Okay.
He's like, I know him since so many years, and more than just a fashion designer, he's a very good friend, and he's a very joy fellow. He's standing, and it doesn't bother to him. The best part about Rohit Bal is that it doesn't bother to him that if you're standing with anybody, that he might behave in a different manner, yeah, because some people does like that. Yes. But he is very relaxed, so I like his basic nature.
Okay, so Rohit Bal is your favorite fashion designer.
Right.
Okay. Coming back to acting front, how did your acting journey kickstart?
See, I have been part of theatre group I have done acting course from Anupam Khe's acting school,
Oh,
actor prepares. So I always had that in me. See, it's not that journey could have been easily started. I have got so many offers for television, but I never wanted to get into TV because this is something I couldn't associate myself.
Okay.
I don't want fame just because you're on the TV.
okay.
Like there was always this fitness fashion thing associated with me. I wanted to get into movies. My dream is to do a negative role.
Oh.
I don't want to be a hero, guys.
Okay.
So I never wanted to be a hero. I want to be a villain. Like, you know, if when the movie ends up and you come out of the cinema hall, you should remember only the villain. And it can go as bad as it is. It doesn't matter to me.
But why
So-
specifically villainy, you know?
I think as I told you, when I see myself, I just want to be, you know, very wisely, like, you know, giving my head the message. Can I be a hero? I think I can't be a hero.
Okay.
There are other guys who are far good looking than me, but I've got that macho image, so maybe I can do far better when it comes to doing a negative role.
So definitely we are looking forward to it.
If I get it.
You will
If I get it.
definitely get it. You will definitely get it. वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर दिल में वो बात होती है तो कभी ना कभी वो सच हो ही जाती है.
Thank you so
So
much.
definitely get it, sir. And we are looking
Thank you.
forward to your films in the future.
Thank you.
Any future projects like with respect to acting abhi in the sleep?
I'm looking forward to something like that, what I've already told you so far. So if something pops out, then I would accept it. Then rest, you never know what's in destiny.
बहुत बार आपको एक खिताब मिला है टॉप फिटनेस मॉडल का. अलग अलग मैगजीन कवर्स पे आप आए हैं. हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स हैज़ प्लेड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर करियर. ये हमें पता चला. तो ज़रा बताइए इसके बारे में.
See, as I told you, they were generous enough to give me a top fitness model title. I think I don't deserve it. There are other guys who are far better body than me. So first of all, they were generous enough. I was listed under supermodel list. That was also, I'm really thankful to them for featuring me in that. And see, now because you are asking top fitness model, getting a body,
Yeah.
a very good looking body, six-pack abs on all the time with the help of drugs or steroids, it's very easy. I think why I deserve to be there, if they have said me that I'm a top fitness model, because I stay away from such drugs. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and just having a body is not enough to be a fitness model. It should be healthy inside out. Healthy inside out. When you do friendship with carrots, spinach, and chicken, and if someone gives you, please have a cake, sir, and you deny that and you say, no, I want to have carrots. There's something I did in the past, so I think I deserve it. What do you say?
Well deserved. You have also been adjudged as the best body at India International. कैसा लगता है आपको? How do you feel when you get such?
Yeah, not just that. I was in, I think, top 5 in Mr. India International.
Okay.
See, it feels really great. I'm honored, and as I told you, they were generous enough to give me that title. I'm like humbly touched.
Any special message for your fans?
Thank you for your love and support, and keep showering that.
Well, you have got a lot of fan following on Instagram. I keep continuously following you. So updates मिलते रहते हैं आपके photos के, आपके comments के. Beautiful person. Very kind human being. That's the most important factor about Karan sir.
Thank
And
you,
I think,
thank you.
In today's generation, it's very rare to find it. So success and still staying on the ground, very important. Before we wrap up the show, we have a small section of rapid fire. We'll go to now.
Sure.
So prepared for it?
Yeah, sure.
आपको फटाफट आंसर्स देना, सोचना नहीं है.
Okay, I will try.
Okay. Now the first question to you is, what do you prefer? Intelligence over looks or looks over intelligence?
Intelligence overlooks.
Why?
Somewhere because I have dated a girl who was not intelligent enough. She was very beautiful, and after a while I thought, oh, where I am, she's a Dumbo. So,
The next one, your celebrity crush.
Celebrity crush. I like Jennifer Lopez.
She's special. Why only Jennifer Lopez? You had Priyanka Chopra also an option. You had Kim
ऐसे
Kardashian.
तो there are so many girls. All are crush.
You had Kim Kardashian also. There must be something special, right? Kyun Jennifer Lopez?
ऐसे ही यार. Yeah, the way she dresses up, her style, statement, you know, and she looks really flashy.
She's hot.
Yeah, she's hot
For
too.
me, she's hot. She's
Yeah.
too hot to handle. Well, next question. There are three options.
Yep.
Walk on a beach, get married to, or maybe you can just have a kiss with her.
Okay.
Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif.
Priyanka Chopra is a dream. Next.
Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif, I would like to go for a walk on the beach with her.
And Deepika Padukone. It's left for a kiss.
Yeah, she's good for kiss.
Okay, one question.
Yeah.
You need to rate these actors out of 10. Yeah, Amir Khan.
10 out of 10.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I'm really big fan of him.
Definitely, his movies are worth watching. Ayushmann Khurrana.
7,
Agreed. Rajkumar Rao.
8,
Pankaj Tripathi.
8,
Tushar Kapoor.
3.
Okay. So one thing which you like and hate about yourself.
One thing I really like about myself is that, which I didn't know, in fact, I myself didn't know, and I'm really patient, I'm really hardworking, which I don't like. Sometimes I become anxious, which is not great on my part.
One wish which you would like to complete in the next 5 years. Maybe 1 or 2 wishes.
I want love of my life, and I want to make something really big in my career. And I don't know how would that come.
What's on your mind right now?
Chole Bhature.
Even I want to have it.
See, you have to understand, being a model, you hardly get such dishes, and I was just coming. On the way I saw, oh my God.
छोले भटूरे. मन किया उतर के पहले खा लेते फिर शूट को
खा लेते हैं, मैंने कहा नहीं यार बाद में देखते हैं.
शो के बाद हम सब आपके साथ चलेंगे.
Yeah.
एंड टुडे हमारे लिए ये छोले भटूरे ये मेरे घर चलेंगे और छोले भटूरे पकाएंगे और हमें खिलाएंगे.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो बड़ा टास्क है.
ओके, डिस्क्राइब इन वन वर्ड. ओके, इन एक्ट्रेसेस को एक वर्ड में आपको बताना है, डिस्क्राइब करना है.
Right.
बिपाशा बासु.
She's hot.
ओके. रकुल प्रीत सिंह.
ये कौन है? मुझे
दे
नहीं
दे प्यार दे.
नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं. Sorry.
जॉन अब्राहम.
His Hank.
मिलिंद सोमन.
Evolutionist.
ओके, प्रियंका चोपड़ा. दिल से बताना प्रियंका.
Right now she's like a dream, like, you know, for a guy like me. मेरा तो कुछ नहीं किया जिंदगी में यार. If I get a Priyanka Chopra, oh my God, she's a dream.
तो वो दुनिया बदल जाएगी ना.
दुनिया बदल जाएगी. हॉलीवुड पहुंच जाएंगे.
हॉलीवुड आपने कहा तो एक क्वेश्चन है. आप सोए हो, एक दिन उठते हो और आपको हॉलीवुड से कॉल आता है यार कि तू इस मूवी में काम कर रहा है, क्या रिएक्शन रहेगा?
बहुत जोर से चीख मारूंगा.
It will be a surprise, right?
Obviously.
Surprise shock.
Surprise shock.
Okay. Best compliment which you have received till date.
ड्रीम किसी ने बोला था यू हैव गॉट $1 million स्माइल. मुझे तो आज तक लगा नहीं, बट आई थिंक
You have.
थैंक यू.
Picture sees it on Instagram.
Thank
you. Have $1 million smile.
थैंक
The next question. You need to choose out of one. Okay. Love or lust.
यू. लव यार, लव नहीं मिलता है, लस्ट तो सबको मिल जाती है थोड़ी बहुत.
One night stand or go on a date.
Go on a date.
Go on a date. Specifically.
With a very good looking girl who has brains also.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Very important. You need brains in today's times.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot. We had a wonderful time with you, Karan sir. And best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much.
Before
Thank
that,
you.
we give you 9 on 10 for your rapid fire.
Yep.
क्योंकि एक दो आंसर्स में थोड़ा सोच रहे थे क्या बोलो. लेकिन बाकी आंसर्स it was very funny. We really enjoyed it.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you so much for calling on your show.
Thanks a lot. It was wonderful having you. Anything which you would like to say about the experience today?
It was wonderful. He's a great guy, and it was indeed an honor to be on his show. And I wish you all the luck.
Thanks a lot, sir. Best of luck for the future. Best of luck for all your projects. हम अभी चलेंगे छोले भटूरे खाने मेरे घर पे.
Yeah, chole bhature नहीं आते. I know how to cook healthy. If you saw my Times of India video, that was cooking healthy. It wasn't chole bhature. That
Okay.
I can buy it from outside.
No. We are going to cook today. We are going to enjoy this. आज शाम को मेरे घर चल रहे हैं और खाना इनके हाथ का मैं खाने वाला हूँ. Enjoy and keep subscribing and please watch his video. He's a wonderful person, kind-hearted human being and a wonderful peace messenger. Thanks a lot, sir. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.